Isn't that amazing? In Christmas time.
Hello, welcome back again to my channel. Today's video I am excited to bring to you again the new ESTEE LAUDER multi-recovery serum they released like last month. No, like a few months ago. I actually started using it like last month, and the impression, if it works or not, that's what we're going to be talking about today. And actually what are the main base ingredients they upgraded, they changed, or they reformed, or any new thing that was added is actually what investing your money in. So here we are with the new advanced multi-recovery serum ESTEE LAUDER brought out a few months ago. And also I have the older version here, which I still have. This is the older version. So let's just quickly talk about what it's same and what actually changed. Okay, the newer version is in form of a glass, which that's a great change. And as well, the droppers, they are the same. It's alcohol free and perfume free, and as well the both are oil free, and as well the both are all skin type and all skin tone. That's actually what does not really change. So actually about the packaging, the new one looks more square than this, and as well the consistency is both same. So for the newer version, I'm just going to go into details, main details that was changed and improved from that. Okay, the major one is the probiotics ingredient which they added to this. Probiotics, it's one of the essential ingredients that helps us naturally balance our skin, and with that I think it's something so essential to our skin, making your skin looking healthier and naturally having that natural balance and natural glow. So I think that is one thing that I so much appreciate, adding that probiotics. So we are going to go details more about the probiotics, but let's just go to the second thing that they added. Hyaluronic acid is known for its powerful hydrating formula. So according to ESTEE LAUDER claim that they added 72 hours moisture lock, which is that hyaluronic acid, to give you a 72 hours super lock. I mean, that's fine. I find so interesting. I find something that it's okay. I'm not saying this for saying, I'm saying this because actually when I've been using the older version, and the newer one, I think it actually has more hydration to it. I'm going to make a little quick demo what hyaluronic acid actually does to your skin. So I'm going to use a water on the back of my hand. On this side, just a normal water without hyaluronic acid, and I'm going to use hyaluronic acid on this place and use the same formula of water, spraying water, so you can see the difference between when you use hyaluronic acid and when you do not use hyaluronic acid. So this is just a water. Don't mind how big it is. It's just my normal spray that I used. So without the hyaluronic acid, you see the water is just dripping down. It's not locked, it's dripping down. So let's try it on this. I'm going to take the serum and I'm just going to apply it on my skin. Now I'm going to spray the same water on the side. So here we have the difference between hyaluronic acid and this is no hyaluronic acid. You see, it locks, the water is not, whereas when I added, let me do it again, when I did this, it's dripped down. I messed up water. So the difference between hyaluronic acid, it literally locks the moisture, even with water cannot wash it away, instead of this that has nothing like hyaluronic acid. So I think this it's very powerful form and powerful technology to lock in that moisture that keeps it for 72 good hours. So I think that it's insane. For 72 hours, okay. Now that we understand what is hyaluronic acid and actually what it does to our skin, I think that is just a great higher level of understanding that your skin is always hydrated. The fact that we don't actually leave our skin without for 42 hours. I do AM and PM routine, so there's no way I'm definitely going to leave my skin for 72 hours without applying moisture or whatever. So which means the daily activities, you are locking your skin more and more. So I think that tip is so great. So moving to the next powerful ingredient that was included in this new serum is the 8 hours antioxidant. Okay, now I used to buy a separate serum just for antioxidant. Now I don't have to separately buy. Now it's all included and it has 8 good hours. And what does actually do? What is antioxidant? So this serum actually, the kind of a base ingredients inside actually helps to protect your skin and defend your skin against those environmental hazards, those radicals, those micro dust, those blue lights that we come across every day. Which example, like blue light is like our phone, our TV, the computer. These produces that blue light that damages our skin. So this serum helps to defend and repairs those damages, which keeps our skin looking more younger and fresher and looking smooth and nice. So I think that's such a powerful technology that was included through this. Another tip I need to share with you guys: when using this product during the day, do not forget advisably to use a sunscreen. Sunscreen is very essential to apply when using this cream during the day. I mean, you can use it morning and night. Like if you watch my previous video how I talk about using it during the day, I only use it during the night because of what I spoke about in my last other video. Into the next other thing that was improved according to them, that was really improved in this: your skin feels more firmer. Who doesn't want that? The pores looks diminished with time, which means that you don't just use it with time. And anyway, generally a routine, when you keep doing your routine, your skin will definitely look better with time. So the next thing is strengthens skin barriers in just 4 hours. So I think the powerful technology they use to enhance this serum, I think it's awesome. And another thing, just to quickly things up, is with all these things going on, with all the technology and improvement they still left the price untouched. They want to leave their customers, they want you to stay on this. I mean, they actually said it's going to be patent till 2033, so there's still a lot of time. They want not to run away, because the only cons that I see on this product is the price. Outside anything, it has good properties. It has everything that really enhance your skin, that protects your skin, that makes your skin look healthy and looking smooth and firm. Actually, it has even more properties that makes anti-aging, like reducing those wrinkles, those fine lines. Take note, actually what I noticed is, even when I was using this, the older version, I noticed that my smile lines has reduced. Really, I don't have wrinkles though, but my smile lines has reduced, which is something that I normally use a primer to just close those things and patch it. You know, the more product you apply on your face, the more your makeup is not going to look too nice. When I first heard they are coming out with the newer version, I was very excited. And now that I've tried it, I am super satisfied. And I definitely will recommend anyone who wants to invest money on such an item. I hope these tips help someone out there. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and as well turn on that notification bell. And as well, if you want to see more of ESTEE LAUDER product, just let me know down on the comment section. I see you again in my next video. Stay safe.